Hi, I'm Christine, founder of Leverage Mentoring. This walkthrough will help you understand how a member sets up their workspace, invites a mentor, runs a session, and tracks their progress over time. Let's get started. Let's say you're Emily. You're an operations manager in a growing business, and you have a team of 4 to develop. You've heard about Leverage Mentoring, so let's go in and have a look and set up our workspace. Emily steps through an easy verification process and starts her 14-day free trial with no credit card needed. Once she's in the platform, she'll be asked 3 things to help her get started. Where are you in your work and life right now? Where would you like to be in 6 months' time? And what kind of mentor might help you on your journey? There's no matching algorithm. It's a really fast and easy onboarding. And what's more, Emily is being prompted to think about the things that really matter to her right now and what she wants to focus on. Emily is also asked a couple of questions about things that she'd like to get better at. And this is my space, Emily's private workspace. No one else can see this area. There's a reflection of what Emily's onboarding questions were and her focus area. In her focus area, she's added a little bit more detail as to why it matters to her. And this is what she's going to be working on with her mentor. And when Emily is ready, she can invite a mentor, a trusted advisor, or someone within her workplace who her manager suggested that she connects with. Emily has reached out to a manager within her own business called Derek. Derek has had a lot of experience with dealing with team issues as he's been a long-term leader in the business and has agreed to help her with a few questions that she has and to guide her along her journey. So now Emily would like to reach out to Derek by email to extend the invitation and bring him into her conversation space so they can start the sessions together. The platform guides her through how she'd like to draft this email, and she has the option also of sending via text message, LinkedIn. It will draft whatever format works best for her. She wants to have a few sessions with Derek, and then she clicks draft my message, and the platform actually drafts a really great email in her own voice, which she can also change, sharpen, edit, and do what she'd like, or she can share it herself via Teams or other methods. Derek receives the invitation to his email inbox and reads through Emily's message. He then accepts the invitation and follows the sign-in process to get set up on Leverage Mentoring. Once Derek signs up, he will come to a screen where he accepts the invitation and he'll be taken to a workspace with Emily and get started on the session plans. Before they meet for the first time, Emily might like to open up a session plan and fill out a little bit of the session prep to help Derek get some context about what they'd like to discuss. But seeing as they're meeting for the first time, they might like to try an icebreaker conversation starter or 2, and that should get the ball rolling so that they can start working through Emily's focus topics and her challenges. So after 3 months, this is what Emily and Derek's journey looks like. They've had 3 conversations and had great outcomes, and Emily's grown so much in that time. Emily can go back to their conversation space and continue to set up session plans, or she can go back to my space and continue to build on her focus areas, edit her starting picture, and if she likes, also add a scheduling link so she can meet with Derek online on a regular link. And that's what good mentoring looks like, a series of structured conversations that actually lead somewhere. And what you just saw was a team member's view or a member's view. If you're a business owner or a team leader, you can add in a membership of 5, 10 or 25 so that your team can benefit from this structured conversation with someone who they admire, to get advice from, to help them with onboarding into a new role, building leadership capability, or just peer support. So I encourage you to have a try yourself and contact me at hello@leveragementoring.com.au if I can support you with any walkthroughs and any questions that you have along the way. Thank you.